What's up, Play with Paddy fans? Welcome back to another YouTube video. First video in 2020. Yay! Okay, now in this video, this is Winter Wonderland right now in my place. This is so amazing, so wonderful. This is like one of the best snowstorms ever. Yeah, so this is so wonderful. And look at all this. And look at all this. Oh man, this is so amazing, so wonderful. And to start my first video in 2020, this is the way I wanted to start it. Right now, everything is so amazing. It's right now an amazing winter wonderland. Yeah, So right here, there are a few cars moving, and it's all amazing. There's a pigeon right there, and everything is just so amazing. Play with Paddy fans, I really love it, and this is super amazing. There's right now a lot of snow on me right now, but I'm okay with that. Over there's a lot of snow everywhere. Snow. Here's some snow. If you look up, there's a lot of snow right now. Okay, here's some snow. There's too much snow today, but I really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching Play with Paddy fans. First video in 2020. To start off my first video in 2020, I showed you guys this amazing winter wonderland in my place. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, Play with Paddy fans.